Tell me you slept good without telling me you slept good. Like, silk scarf off, silk bunny off, like, period. And then it is currently almost 1 o'clock. Miss CEO is tired. I'm not going to the Licknick. It's a wrap. Like, I gotta put me first. What about me, Lucius? Like, no. Yeah, since we're not going to Licknick, I need to wash my bed sheets because I do every other week. It's that other week to wash bed sheets. I also need to wash my clothes because I'm overdue. I haven't washed my clothes in 2 weekends. More little story, I have too many clothes. Actually, I think it's almost been a month since I washed clothes. Life have been life, y'all. I've been back to back to back to back to back to back to back gone. Like, oh my god. It almost been too hectic to record, but I've been pushing through for y'all. Like, I really have. So I'm finna get up, brush my teeth, wash my face, take a shower. I have to take showers in the morning. Like, I literally will take a shower at night, take another shower in the morning. I just have to do that because one day my mom was like, yeah, when I take a shower in the morning, it just help me wake up, you know, get my day started. Ever since then, I be like, okay, I gotta take a shower in the morning. I literally do everything my mama do. And yes, it's on purpose. And who gonna beat me up? And we also are doing a surprise kickback for my line sister, M. Kitty. No, y'all can't call her that. I call her that. Do not call her that. I'm not playing. Like, I don't play by myself. Her name is Michaela Banks. You have to say the whole name because just like the name just so glamorous. Michaela Banks. What's your name? Michaela Banks? Like, it's just like ms.amariaj. Like, we just them girls. What? I love myself, man. Anyways, she gonna try to beat me up about it, y'all. Her name is not Michaela. It's me, Kayla. Me, Kayla. M-E, Kayla. Yeah, we're doing a surprise kickback for her. Copyright. Okay. That was a flyer for Lotto concert. It's on June 22nd, y'all. I literally cried. I cried because I'm not gonna be here to go to that freaking concert. And y'all know I love Lotto. Like, there's no bigger jackpot than me. Since the rap game, I've been on Lotto bad. Like, but don't get me wrong, excited for my cousin wedding. But that's how I feel. Cause what? And that's during my birthday month. Like, she did that for me. She knew. She knew. Like, bruh. Sitting here finna cry all over again because I just can't let it go. Like, I can't talk about this no more. Let me tell y'all a secret. Y'all know why I can sit here and talk like this when I first wake up? Not worried about no bad breath? Because I brush my teeth before I go to sleep. It smells like the oil pulling junk toothpaste and mint. Tip. Try it. And then you did a good job at really effing up my day. And then you said you made steak. That was banquet. Salisbury steak. It's not even the middle of the month yet. Why is my period supposed to start in 2 days? Is the 13th counted as the middle of the month? Because I count that as the beginning. Either way it go, why is my period supposed to come so fast? I feel like I just had one. Why do I have to suffer every month? But I'm a survivor, period. I'm so tired of school. There's clothes on my bed. You just have to put up. Y'all be having clothes on y'all bed. Y'all be having to put up. They gonna get put up though, because I gotta go to sleep. Thankfully, this was a little easy assignment. We live a direct submission. I ain't even have to save it to my computer or nothing. Yeah, like, the assignments are never ending. Never ending. Like, can I make this up? This is from this semester alone. Literally. If you haven't already, don't forget to make sure you follow my YouTube channel on Instagram at QueensWorldTV_. Thank you. We have an app for the washers and dryers. No coins, boo. I could have put this in there together. I ain't gonna lie, I could have put this in there together. But I'm really not trying to have to dry nothing twice. So I'm gonna leave it sexy. She's from Nicaragua, thought you was Persian love. I'll be turning up, boy, we wasting time. Girl, don't waste my time. Just wanna chill with you. Okay, quiet on set. Work. We are here because I had decided to plan a surprise kickback for MK. Hey, Michaela. And this is cheers to 22. To you from your best bitch.
You know what it's giving, Michaela. Miss Jim Booty. Happy birthday. Happy 22nd birthday. You know, you getting old just like me, so you can't talk hard.
Hey, old asshole, I love you.
Heavy on the old.
We love. He said heavy on the old. Wait, I love you. Happy birthday, cheers to 22.
22.
My voice is gone, but you know, we're just gonna wait for you to get here, and then you're gonna see my energy and love in person.
Birthday, take a motherfucking shot.
Hi, MK. Y'all not be my business. I'm about to get all sentimental. I just wanted to say I love you. You're my favorite troll. You know, I hope you enjoy your birthday. Thank you for always being there for me when I need it, and I really hope you enjoy your birthday. But yes, turn up, get drunk.
Hi, MK. Hi, sister. Why my hair looks stiff? Happy birthday to you. I love you so much. Don't look at my forehead. Since the day we first got online, the very first time we was on FaceTime, like we just clicked and we just had that bond. I just love you so much. Like, you give me good advice. You're my big sister for real, and I love you so much. Love you. Happy birthday.
Hey sister, just wanted to tell you that I love you so much. You're like literally my mom, like my big sister for real, and I love you so much. Like 22, I hope 22 is not. 22 is going to be so amazing for you. You already so talented, so ambitious, like everything. Like, I just love you so much. I really do look up to you, in case you didn't. You have my heart forever. You and my dad. Yeah, I just thank you so much for being. I'm sorry. Just thank you so much for being the best sister ever. I wish you nothing but love, peace, and happiness on your 22nd birthday, boo. Big 22, not a little one, boo. Ain't nobody topping you, big booty Jew. Well, you're not Jew, so that didn't make sense. Ass so big like the sun. Thank you for being my gym inspiration too.
I just want to start by saying how much I love you, and I love how our relationship has grown. I wish nothing but the best for you. I hope everything prospers and everything. I love you, and I hope you have the best birthday ever. I know you think we ain't doing shit, but we doing it. We tricked you, but yes. I love you so very much, and I hope you have the best birthday ever. Mwah. Love you.
Hey, Kitty! Like, oh my god. Like, I'm giving you what you asked for that birthday. Yeah, her birthday. I'm so glad that you're my sister. Like, you used to get on my last nerve. You still get on my last nerve, but you're my favorite old lady. I love that you let me blow your phone up. You on the phone talk about nothing. I just be running that mouth. You just be listening. You be giving me good advice. And even when you be trying to leave and don't tell nobody and go home, I'll still find you. Remember.
Hey y'all, it's me JoJo, and I'm taking over the vlog.
Get her out of here.
Oh, okay.
Camera on her.
Who?
That one. Yeah, get her out of here.
Oh, wait.
she's
You got
moving
food
now.
and then tell me?
She's speeding.
Oh, okay.
Quiet. It's your day. I'm so proud of the woman you are becoming. I love you so much. I just want to say I hope 22 brings you more happiness, peace, and blessing. I hope God just fulfill all your needs and wants. It's been a pretty good day helping you enjoy bringing in your 22nd birthday. I just want to say happy motherfucking birthday, Quiet. Love you. Baby, you know you fine, don't you? Quiet, you know you fine, don't you? Quiet, you know you fine.
For yesterday. Period. My sister Priya.
What's up, y'all? Thank you. I'm another one of Amaria's sisters. I just want to say happy birthday to my lovely Michaela. This bitch getting old as fuck.
Wait.
All right, it is currently 1 o'clock on the dot.
Currently
1 o'clock
in the morning.
So
And we're
upload this video.
lit. We're still fucking lit. It don't matter. It's my fucking birthday. The rest of the month of April.
Okay, yeah. So, as you can see, I have a crime stain on my makeup. So that should tell y'all how this went. But before I got here, I was just like, dang, like, ain't nobody messing with me. Like, I need to put in my group chat, like, with them. And I was like, dang, like, my birthday tomorrow. Everybody ignoring it. Changing the subject, like, texting about other stuff. So I'm like, dang, like, y'all don't miss me. And I kept saying, like, y'all don't miss me, y'all miss me. Nobody said nothing. They just laughing at the message. And so when I got here, it sent tears. Because I was like, dang, like, I'm thinking y'all don't miss me, but y'all kind of do. But, yeah. 22nd birthday. 15 out of 10.
So fuck all you other hoes that's born at the end of this month. Sorry, it's still my birthday.
Yeah.
We closing out the wall. We closing out the wall.
Wait, let me tell the ball bye, even though I ain't gonna go yet. Bye. We gotta take a group picture. Happy birthday,
So make sure y'all go ahead, like this video. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. And follow me on Instagram at ms.amariaj. That's ms.amariaj. And it's the same for TikTok.